What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cloud back at it again with another video. Today I'm tapping into y'all. I got hella shit on the way. I'm just ordering shit right now, bro. I'm excited. And we finna keep this process going with the reselling. As far as of right now, as you all know, it's Q4 and I am in somewhere where the weather does get pretty bad. So I'm trying to sell certain items as of jackets and scarves and things of that nature, even boots, because I know these items will sell at a time like this. So yeah, these are my most recent orders that I actually just made the past 2 days. This video will come out 2 days later, so by the time you all see it, it'll probably be 3 or 4 days since I made these purchases. But pretty much I've purchased the Dyson Hairdryer, I've purchased a Canada Goose jacket, and I've also purchased the Baccarat Rouge 540 70 milliliter bottle. The prices for each of these items, for the Canada Goose or for the Dyson Hairdryer, I paid $47.01. For the Canada Goose jacket, I've paid exactly $93 and some change. I actually don't remember, but it's 93 bucks, including shipping. All of these prices are including shipping. And then for the Baccarat Rouge 540, I paid $30.70. As far as the market value and what people are selling these items for, as far as on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace, the Dyson hair dryers are going for about $180 to $300. The Canada Goose jackets are going for like $800 to $1,500, $800 to like $1,500, which is a wise price range, but you know, for the legitimate ones. So I'm gonna sell it as 1-on-1 for like $350. Maybe I could even pull from $350 to $700. The Baccarat Rouge is going for about $175 for the 70 milliliter bottle, anywhere from $100 to $175. So I'm just trying to pull $100 at least to make my 70 bucks profit. Once again, all of these products should be here within the next 2 weeks. I just gave you all the prices that I paid for them as far as off Dhgate, and then I just gave you all the resale prices as well that they're going for on OfferUp and Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. As far as the websites directly, Baccarat Rouge costs $300. A Canada Goose cost about $800 to $2,000 for a real one. And the Dyson hairdryer directly from Dyson's website is like $330, and then Amazon and Walmart have it at like from $220 to $280. And so that's those prices for the actual websites. Once these products come in, I will be doing a review on all of them. Also be doing an unboxing. I'll probably split each into a separate video, and then I'll do like a kilogram haul video as well, even though it's a very small haul. But just to like bundle it up and get more content for you all. The item I ordered first was the Dyson hairdryer, so that might be here first. I don't know. Shippings could change, like shipping times could change depending on how quick the seller gets it out, who they ship with, and things of that nature. But yeah, it was first the Dyson hairdryer was ordered, then the jacket, and then the Cologne was ordered after that. So yeah, pretty much from there I'll go about letting you all know which ship the fastest, which item ship the fastest. And I'll let you all know like what offers getting the most like text messages or the best profit margins as far as offers, and the differential as far as in what I've paid versus what I could sell it for. But yeah, I'm actually excited, man. Like I said, it's winter time, so I can make a lot of money right now. And I was in like a deep debate with myself on which items would sell easiest right now. I know AirPods are really saturated, but I was gonna go get like 8 pairs or 10 pairs of AirPods. But I just went with the jacket instead because I know people are in need of things like the jacket. Then I got the Dyson hairdryer because the marketplace seems to be decent on that. And then I know Cologne is doing really well for a lot of people, and you really can't go wrong with a bottle of Cologne for only 30 bucks, right? Whereas in the store they're selling that same bottle for 300. So I can't go wrong with that. I honestly have the most faith currently in the Cologne, and then like I feel like that item would move the fastest. But I'm also gonna try perfume. Like, a lot of people are sleep on perfume. Some people add it just because you know, they're already buying the colognes. But most people that are doing reviews and sales as far as that are guys, so they're not really reviewing things like perfume. But I'm gonna get into that because I know females will spend money like more than a male would. So if they'll spend 400 bucks on a hairdryer, they'll spend that 300 on the perfume. So I'm gonna try the perfume next, and we'll go from there. Once again, it's your boy Clout. I'm out. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Everybody says that at the end of their video. I'm really here to help y'all make money and we can grow as a family. I will leave the links to each item in the description below. Let's go.